Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a gift list in your Amazon profile. Now let's begin. Right now, in the nav bar, if we scroll to the right in the middle of the screen, you can see something like registry. Simply click on it. And then from here, you will be redirected to a page like this. And right here, as you can see in this yellow button, here's something like create a registry or gift list. Click on the button right there. Now it's gonna give you a few options like what type of event are you celebrating, like marriage, baby. There are lots of options. Select whatever one you wish. And right here it's asking me to provide some information like first and last name of my gift list. I'm just gonna enter all of them. Well, as you can see, I have entered all the details and everything's okay with me. I'm just gonna scroll down and hit on next. Denote that I have multiple addresses. That's why this drop down is opening up. Now it's asking whether I would like to share my address with sellers to allow gift to be shipped to my address. Well, it's up to you. Simply toggle on this checkbox if you wish. You can also toggle on the checkbox just below it, and if you're okay, hit on next. Now in this section, would you like to see what is being purchased for your gift list? Well, it's up to you, but for now, I would like to keep it a surprise. Finally, it's gonna ask for your gift list privacy. It can be public, shareable, or private. Well, it's up to you. Select whichever one you wish, and once everything's okay, simply hit on create. And guys, that's it. That is how you create a gift list in your Amazon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.